Sa previous lesson natin, naipakilala sa atin ang concept ng separable ordinary differential equations. Ordinary kasi isang independent variable ang meron tayo sa equation. Separable kasi pwede natin ilagay lahat ng variables na x at dx sa isang side ng equation at lahat ng y variables at dy sa kabilang side. After natin i-separate ng variables, pwede natin kuhanin ng integral of both sides para ma-solve yung differential equation. Let's start sa example 1. Show that y equals e raised to negative 3x is a solution to y double prime plus y prime minus 6y equals 0. Note na hindi ito separable differential equation, kaya ang goal lang natin ay i-verify na solution si y equals e to the negative 3x. Kunin natin yung first derivative ni y, which is negative 3 times e raised to negative 3x. At yung second derivative ay 9 times e raised to negative 3x. At substituting sa differential equation, we have 9e to the negative 3x minus 3e to the negative 3x minus 6e to the negative 3x, which is clearly 0. So we have verified that y equals e to the negative 3x is a solution to the differential equation. Next, let's solve the differential equation dy over dx equals e raised to x minus y. So hinahanap natin ang equation with x and y that will satisfy this differential equation. Simulan natin sa pagsulat sa e raised to x minus y as e raised to x over e raised to y. Let's separate the variables to get e raised to y dy equals e raised to x dx. Integrate both sides and we'll get na e raised to y equals e raised to x plus c. Yung plus a constant na makukuha natin by integrating e raised to y, i-combine na lang natin dito sa constant na to. Isolate natin si y by taking the natural logarithm of both sides to get the solution y equals the natural log of e raised to x plus c. Tignan natin how the solution relates to the differential equation visually. Si differential equation, sinulat ko siya dito sa Desmos as g of x, tapos yung sinubstitute ko na y ay yung y na nakuha natin after solving. Let's show the equations pag c equals 0. Ang slope ni solution ay 1 at 1 ang value ni g of x, which is yung dy over dx. Set natin na c equals 4. Si blue na solution ay increasing, pero from sobrang steep na slope, pupunta siya sa slope na 1. At na-reflect naman ito dun sa purple na curve na g of x equals dy over dx. Pag iset naman natin na c equals 2, si blue solution curve ay flat. Tapos aakyat hanggang may slope na siya na halos 1. At si purple nag-start sa almost 0, tapos aakyat papuntang 1, reflecting accurately yung slope ni blue solution curve. Note na visual confirmation lang ito at hindi talaga natin siya na-verify. Pero at least may sense sa atin yung ibig sabihin ng solution to a differential equation. Next item, let's solve the differential equation x times y prime equals x squared minus 5. Isulat natin si y prime as dy over dx at i-divide both sides by x. Then, iseparate natin yung dx sa dy para makuha na y dy equals the quantity x minus 5 over x dx. Integrate both sides. We'll get y squared over 2 equals x squared over 2 minus 5 times the natural logarithm of the absolute value of x plus a constant c1. Multiply both sides by 2 and we get our solution na y squared equals x squared minus 10 times the ln of the absolute value of x plus c. Kasi constant lang din naman si 2 times c1. Yun na yung gagawin nating c. Again, let's go to a visual confirmation. Tignan natin yung plot ni solution in yellow. Since y squared siya sa kaliwa, tignan lang natin yung positive square root pag nag-square root na tayo to both sides. Yung differential equation natin magiging x squared minus 5 over x times y, so gagamitin ko dito yung positive square root pa rin para sa y. Sa part na ito ni solution, yung slope, di ba, parang approximately negative 1 siya, tas bigla siyang papasok ng x-axis na halos vertical. Kaya yung differential equation, parang negative 1, tas biglang babagsak na highly negative na value. Sa next portion naman, galing 0 na steep, tapos magiging bahagya yung slope, pero pupuntang halos vertical na ulit. Nagko-correspond naman dito yung plot ni differential equation in blue. Yung right side, symmetric lang siya sa left, Yung solution may mirror reflection symmetry, yung differential equation may rotational symmetry about the origin. Huwag na nating i-discuss. Baguhin naman natin si C to a positive value, magbabago yung mga graphs natin ng bahagya. Si solution in yellow, going down from the left na may slope na parang -1, tas magkakaroon siya ng local minima, so magzi-zero yung slope. Then aakyat ulit na halos vertical. Again, si blue differential equation na plot, nasusundan niya yung slope ng tangent line ni solution plot. So again, we have sort of a visual confirmation. Medyo subjective, pero at least convincing, di ba, na tama yung solution natin. For the next item in this set, we want to find the particular solution to y prime equals y times the quantity 2x plus 1, where y of 0 is equal to 2. Simulan natin by writing this in Leibniz notation. And separate the variables, take the integral of both sides, and we'll get the natural log of the absolute value of y equals x squared plus x plus a constant, c. So the absolute value of y equals e raised to x squared plus x plus c, na pwede nating isulat na e raised to c times e raised to x squared plus x. Dahil constant lang din naman ang e raised to c, pwede natin siya palitan ng isa pang constant. Tawagin natin k sub 1. Dahil may absolute value si y, pwede natin isulat si right side na plus minus k sub 1. Or palitan na lang natin ng constant k to account for the positive and negative possibilities. To find the particular solution, meaning yung actual value ni k na gagamitin sa solution, substitute natin yung x equals 0 at y equals 2 sa equation. Makuha natin na k equals 2. So ang final answer ay y equals 2 times e raised to x squared plus x. May 3 problems pa tayong natitira para i-discuss, so sundan na lang natin sila sa susunod na lesson video at sa ngayon, salamat sa pakikinig.